Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to RomSorio. Let's look at latest WaveOS 4.7 running on Xiaomi Poco F1. We will be doing a usability and performance review of this ROM. I suggest to see this video till very end. To begin with, let's talk about font session. I am using chipped variant of this ROM. ROM is based upon Android 11 and they got the latest security patch from 1st June 2021. SC Linux is also by default set as enforcing. Kernel they are using is Silver Core 9.7, which is a balanced kernel. When it comes to security, the ROM does has fingerprint, IR face unlock, app lock and more. Fingerprint here is faster. Face unlock does its job but not the fastest around. Out of the box, the ROM is not encrypted. And if you want, you can encrypt it manually. Under battery settings, the ROM does includes pixel thermal switching and you can select your appropriate thermals from here. Customization includes wallpaper settings, style settings, icon settings and finally clock settings. There are different model of clocks available including Oxygen OS and Samsung style. Moving forward under display settings, there is option for notch hiding. The three options are available and they works pretty well. I didn't notice any bugs or jitters after enabling it. Everything else under settings is same as the stock. They did give some modification to icons, leaving that behind almost everything is near to stock. When comes to QoS panel, there is FPS info and screen recorder present. FPS info works well. Screen recorder here is capable of recording internal audio and microphone at a time. There is also option for reducing the recording size of file. After enabling it, I didn't face any bugs or jitters. The reason menu includes clear all and share options. Both does their job well. The dialer in this build is not having any call recording feature. If you want, you need to rely on third-party call recorders. The ROM comes out with Camera Go application. All your basic camera needs can be handled by this application. If you want more, need to try Gcam. Swiping left to right from home screen, you can access Google Feed. It works pretty smooth. Out of the box, the ROM is not rooted and passes safety net checks as well as Google Play protection, which is something nice. After setting up gaming thermals, AnTuTu scores 3,66,000 plus and Geekbench scores for single core 429 and multi-core 2188, which are above average scores for Snapdragon 845. To understand more about performance, let's do a CPU throttling test. This test did lasted for 30 minutes and as you see the scores are not that pleasing one. Starting performance was good but after 10 minutes the graph did started dropping to yellow and red. But the ROM did manage to give an average score of 1,71,000 plus, which is something good enough as a average user. So next is gaming test BGMI with smooth plus extreme settings. FPS and screen recorder are enabled. While gaming is going on, let's conclude the video. The main plus point of this ROM is its thermal handling. Even after performing benchmark 30 minutes of CPU test and gaming test, the maximum temperature I noticed was 45 degrees Celsius, which is something really great comparing with other ROMs around. As you see, I dropped in a Paradise Hot Drop. If you see the number of enemies, you can understand. The ROM was capable of keeping the performance up without any major lags or issues. There is absolute no touch lags, no sensitivity issues, almost lag free, which is totally unexpected. One issue I noticed was Google Assistant is bit slow in this build. Maybe it is only with me. leaving that behind. Overall, a solid UI experience, great thermal handling, above average performance. On top of everything, absolute zero bugs. If you are looking for a ROM which is capable of good battery backup, less heat, above average performance, just blindly go for this ROM. You won't be disappointed. So that's it guys, this is all about webOS 4.7. Hope this video was helpful to you. Like and shares are always appreciated. Subscribe if you like my work and I'll catch you in next one.